Welcome to Memi Tales!
The Little Paper Star. In a tiny village school, there was a quiet little girl named Mia. She loved making paper stars during lunch break. Every day, she folded colorful papers carefully and placed the stars inside her small blue box. But Mia never gave them to anyone. One rainy afternoon, the class had to stay indoors. The children were noisy and restless, except for a boy named Ben sitting alone near the window. His pet puppy had gone missing that morning, and he looked very sad. Mia noticed him quietly wiping his eyes. She slowly walked over and placed a tiny golden paper star on his desk. "What's this?" Ben asked softly. Mia smiled. "My grandma says paper stars keep a little bit of hope inside them." Ben held the star tightly and smiled for the first time that day. The next morning, something wonderful happened. Ben came running into class happily, carrying his little puppy in his arms. "My puppy came back home last night." Everyone cheered. During lunch, Ben sat beside Mia and said, "Can you teach me how to make stars too?" Soon, the whole class was folding colorful stars together, laughing, sharing stories, and decorating the classroom ceiling until it looked like a tiny glowing sky. And from that day on, whenever someone felt lonely or sad, a little paper star would quietly appear on their desk. Small acts of kindness can brighten someone's whole world.